I researched and I decided to go with the GTR coils, which are much better than the Yaris coils. So this one's gonna hold a little more power, but it is so tall. Look at how tall. Nobody likes that. So I saw a bracket for sale and I messaged the guy just to know about shipping. I was about to buy and I never got a reply, so I got concerned and I ended up making my own. I'm gonna print this with carbon fiber nylon, which outstand 150 to 190 degrees. This is how it looks like. Not just that, I also made the little adapters, so we're gonna put it together today. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the 3D in a little bit, but we're gonna remove this big one and we're gonna install one of those in there. So those here, they come out. They have some sort of glue. It's not kinda glue. You gotta be careful. The fuse link is right there too. So you have the spring and you take the two silicone pieces, then the spring we're gonna cut. You see there's a short part and then it gets puffy and then it gets skinny again. So we're gonna get this skinny and take out of the picture like that. And this part you cut goes on the fuse link. So what I like to do is I get the adapter, put on the top here, so when I do this it goes through and doesn't get stuck in there. And then you put in here, we go a little twist here and there to be sure that the silicone parts go inside. Done. Easy like that. Basically this is gonna sit like this and like this, and you have the holes right there. You need to put this beforehand like that, and then you go in and then it fits. It's very tight. Look at that. So it's not just cleaner because it's shorter, but it's also, if you want to use, remember I have this here on my first build and I could never use because it wouldn't fit because of the Yaris coils. So yeah, look at this one. Now it does. I'm not sure if I will, but... And now the last one, what I need to test is I need to get one of those with the connector and see if it clears out there. Yeah, look at that. It is going to clear. I could even lower a little bit more. So I'm printing another version where this goes up all the way. And probably when this is done, this is going to cost around 50 bucks. I am going to test on my Supra. I'm going to test on the BMW. It's two different cars. This one is going to be more power. That one is going to be, it's a drift car, so it's different ways. I want to see how the plastic reacts, but everything in the car is made out of ABS. That's ABS, and it's been sitting on the engine bay forever. So ABS is the way to go. Nylon, carbon fiber nylon is going to be better. So I just bought a roll. I'm going to test, see how hard it is. Don't get me wrong, I printed probably 20 of those. I have a few at home, even the tiny ones like this, so I could align the holes. And here we are printing. This is how it looks like. It's super cool. I love those things. It's finishing the top and then it's going to start printing this part here. This is my version 12 or actually version 11. This is how it looks. So you get the part and you draw the part and you erase and you clear some stuff. It's gonna be finally ready for me to print using the carbon fiber nylon, but I'm printing two of those. It takes 4 hours each. The back one is something that is gonna be like this, which is a little taller than the other ones because of the clearance on the back. I rather have all the other ones lower. The last one is on the bump anyway, so nobody cares. And that's it, guys. I want to show the progress of this thing here. The Supra, actually, I'm ready to put the engine there. I just need to spray the engine bay. I don't want to do that, but I'm going to. I'm going to spray the engine bay. I'm going to clear coat it. It's going to be shiny and pretty. We're going to drop the engine there and we're going to be ready to roll. So stay tuned for the next videos. Thanks for watching and